Man, where to even begin? Uh, I've had this device for about 7 months now, and it's done so much for me. My first experience, though, was actually Juliana had used the device on me, and I had COVID. My whole family had it like the Thanksgiving prior to that, so about a year ago now. And I did not receive my taste and smell back at all 7 months later. And so she used the device on me, and it like was in stages of 3 days where it was like, oh, some things have a taste now, but it's nasty the next day. And then it was like the next day I was like, oh, it's still nasty, but I'm getting a little bit of what it's supposed to taste like. And then by the third day, I got like, I taste and smell everything. And I'm a chef. And so it was very devastating for 7 months not being able to taste and smell things. So it was a huge blessing. And that instant, I was like, I'm going to get the device. I need it. And I have 3 children of my own that I want to be able to use it on and have it all the time in my house. So from there, I got the device. And shortly after that, I was playing frisbee with some of my in-laws and twisted my knee. And the next day, I woke up and I couldn't put any weight on my knee. And so scanned myself. I ran frequencies all day long. And by the end of the day, I could walk on it. I had hardly any pain at all. And I still have literally done nothing else to my knee except run scans on it. And I have no pain with it ever whatsoever. And let's see, my kids got a cold one time this fall and I used it on them. And within a day, each one was like, bam, bam, bam. No, no more cold. I use sleep well on my wife every night, and she's always had trouble sleeping, and it has improved her sleep immensely. So, just in my family alone, not even other people that I've helped use it, it's been such a blessing to have.